The new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are finally here, but are they actually a big upgrade over the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro or just a small refresh? Samsung is promising smarter AI audio, improved adaptive noise cancellation, and refined sound tuning with the Buds 4 Pro. But the Buds 3 Pro were already solid premium earbuds, so is it really worth upgrading? In this video, we're doing a complete in-depth comparison, from design and sound quality to battery life, features, and price. So by the end, you'll clearly know which one is the better choice for you. So that's the full comparison between the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. If you're thinking about upgrading, I hope this video made your decision easier. If it helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and honest tech comparisons. And tell me in the comments, are you upgrading to the Buds 4 Pro or sticking with the Buds 3 Pro? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.